Okay, here is a close look at the 32-inch Dell curved monitor. This gives you some of the specs of it. It's got the QHD FreeSync, and here's the cost on this particular model. This is what the base looks like. It's got to have kind of a beefy base to hold this thing up since it is 32 inches. And it's got a pretty nice picture on it. You can see the curve. This is what a little bit of the back looks like. The side panel has the buttons, and there is the curve on it, and it's got the side moldings. Right here is where the vent is, where it vents out. There's some of the ports on the back. It's got some spot there for cable management. Yeah, that's got a nice looking picture on it. Is this one that you're going to add to your gaming setup, or is this something that you're just going to use in-house to use for like an office computer or display? But yeah, comment down below if this is something that you're going to get. Nice looking display.